Morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to learn unit 4 altitude and medians of a triangle, altitudes and median of a triangle. Okay, page number 19. So first we will learn altitude. What is altitude? First we will draw a triangle ABC. We will draw a triangle ABC with the help of सेट स्क्वायर. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेट स्क्वायर की हेल्प से हम एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो नाउ वी विल पुट आवर स्केल. ओके, हियर वर्टेक्स ए. वी विल पुट आवर स्केल वर्टेक्स ए एंड वी विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन एंड वी विल गिव the name of this point. Its name is P. Okay, so AP is the altitude of BC. Okay, AP एक altitude हो जाएगा BC का. Now we will put our scale here, vertex C, on the vertex C, and we will draw a line and we will give name. Here is R. Okay, R. Okay, R. So RC is the altitude of AB. Okay, RC is the altitude of AB. RC altitude हो जाएगा AB का. Now we will put our scale on the vertex of B and we will draw line and we will give the name of this point. It is Q. Okay, Q. मैंने इसको नाम दिया है Q. So BQ is the altitudes of AC. BQ is the altitude of AC. Okay, now we can see here is the point. It is point of concurrence. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Point of concurrence, where the lines intersect, where all these lines intersect. Okay, so the point of concurrence is called the orthocenter. Okay, altitude का जो होता है point of concurrence, it is called the orthocenter. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? orthocenter. Okay, it denote by letter O. हम इसको denote करते हैं letter O से. Clear? It denote by letter O. Clear? So this is altitude. Now we will learn median. We will learn our median. So we can see here a triangle. First we will draw a triangle with the help of set square. Clear? Now we will put our rounder on the vertex of Z. Okay, vertex of Z. हम Z पर अपना राउंडर को रखेंगे and हम इसे इतना ओपन करेंगे, more than half डिस्टेंस हम लेंगे. ओके, मतलब हम इसको इतना डिस्टेंस लेंगे AY तक. AY के ऊपर रखकर हम इसको इतना डिस्टेंस लेंगे, more than half. We will find your midpoint. We will find your midpoint YZ पर. हम इसका midpoint हमें find करना है. So we will put our rounder here. And open our rounder more than half distance. Okay. Now we will draw a arc here or here. Okay, we will draw a arc here or here. So हमारा arc कहाँ बनेगा? एक यहाँ and यहाँ. Okay, now we will put our rounder. We will put our rounder here. हमें मिड पॉइंट निकालना है पहले y and z का. So we will put our rounder here and we will draw a like this or like this. Clear? Now we will draw a line. Okay, now we will draw a line. Okay, so this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint of y and z. This is the midpoint of y and z. Now we will draw a line. X to this point. X to this point. And we will give the name. Its name is A. Okay, मैंने इसको नेम दिया है A. Okay, so this is the midpoint of y and z. Now we will find the midpoint of xz. Okay, we will find the midpoint of xz. Okay, so we will put our rounder here. पहले हमको y z का मिड पॉइंट चाहिए था, तो हमने इसको मोर देन हाफ हमने राउंडर को ओपन किया y z लाइन पर. अब हमको x z का मिड पॉइंट चाहिए है, तो we will open our rounder more than half xz लाइन पर हम इसको रखेंगे और मोर देन हाफ हम यहाँ से लेंगे राउंडर. ओके, नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ लाइन हियर, arc here, our arc here और here. ओके, इस टाइप से हमारा आर्क बनेगा. एक आर्क यहाँ, सॉरी, काइंड ऑफ क्लियर, एंड एक इस टाइप से बनेगा हमारा आर्क. नाउ वी विल पुट अवर राउंडर हियर एंड वी विल ड्रॉ अ आर्क हियर. क्लियर? Sorry, we will put our rounder. We will put our rounder on the vertex of x, and we will draw a arc here, or we will draw a arc here. Now we will draw a line. Now we will draw a line like this. Okay, like this. So now this is the midpoint of xz. This is the midpoint of xz. Now we will join the line. Like this. Clear? Okay, and मैंने इसको नाम दिया है B, ओके, पॉइंट B. सो दिस इज द मीडियन, दिस इज द मीडियन, मीडियन, ओके, ये मीडियन है. X and A is median and Y and B is median. Now we will find the midpoint of XY. We will find midpoint of XY. So XY का midpoint find करने के लिए we will put our rounder यहाँ we will put our rounder vertex of Y and open it more than half. Okay, more than half means इतना. Okay, हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हमको ओपन करना है. And we will draw a arc here, okay, here or here, okay, here or here. Clear? Now we will put our rounder here and we will draw a arc here or here. Clear? Now we will join the line like this. Okay, we will join the line like this. Clear? Now we will join the line this is median and this is midpoint. Okay, we will give the name of this point. It is C. So C or Z is the median point. C and Z is the median. Now we can see here this point is concurrence. This point is concurrence जहाँ पर ये दोनों लाइन्स मिल रही हैं X, A, C, Z and Y to B. Okay, so this point is named concurrence. Okay, and we will call this point centroid. It is denoted by G. इसको हम G से denote करते हैं. इसे हम G से denote करते हैं. We will denote this point by G. Clear? So this is median. X, A, C, Z, Y to B. This is median. Okay. So altitude and median we will learn today. Now we will learn our next practice set in our next video. Thank you so much.